Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of How Logical. In our last video, we learned how to Airbnb your entire home. But in this video, we're going to talk about how to Airbnb a room into your house. Now, in order to know, just simply watch this video till the end. In order to Airbnb a single room into your house, you just simply have to open your Airbnb application at first, and after opening the application you will get to see this profile button at the bottom right corner. Just simply tap into that button and then click to Airbnb your place. And after tapping into Airbnb your place, just simply repeat the same process as we did while listing our house. Just simply tap into create new listing now and then click to get started. Then after doing all this, you just simply have to select if you want to start into your own or match with the superhost. I'm starting on my own, and after coming into this page, you just simply have to tell about your place. Now just simply tap into next button. Then after that, this section will appear. Now you just simply have to select this house option and then click to next button. After clicking into next, you will get the option to Airbnb a room into your house. Just simply select this a room option and then click to next. Then after doing this, you just simply have to pick your address and answer all of the questions that they ask about your place. Then after setting up all this and the pricing at the end, your room will successfully be Airbnb into your house. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.